What's going on, everyone? I'm Russ with Expert Barber Beauty Academy. Today we're going to be packing up for the Texas State Barbering exam, the blood exposure incident service. It's a 2.5 gallon bag with the easy open, easy close Ziploc. Inside of that bag, you're going to need another small Ziploc labeled biohazard and another one labeled as trash. And you will need a third bag labeled pre-sanitized or disinfected. And inside of that bag, you're gonna have everything that you're packing: your pair of gloves, cotton rounds, you'll need at least one, doesn't hurt to have extra. Band-aids, you'll need at least one as well. Alcohol swab, you'll need at least one, and at least one cotton. And you're also going to need Nick Relief styptic powder. Make sure you put the powder and make sure that is closed. Squeeze out the air, close your bag, place that bag inside of your service bag, squeeze out the air and close the bag, and you're all packed up and ready. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.